Hello, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to use ReachOwl's IG profile growth feature to discover niche posts, automatically like content, and keep your profile active, all without lifting a finger. Let's dive in. To get started, log into your ReachOwl dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on New Tools, then select IG profile growth from the drop-down menu. You will land on the main IG profile growth page where you can see any existing setups and start a new one. Click the Start Profile Growth button. A form will appear with a few simple fields. First, select the Instagram account you want to grow from the drop-down menu. Next, set your engagements per day. This is how many likes or reposts ReachOwl will perform daily. We recommend starting with 15 and never exceeding 30 for safety. Then, enter your niche keywords. These are the topics or hashtags related to your niche. For example, if you are in the marketing space, you can use keywords like marketing, digital product, or social media tips. You can add up to 20 keywords. Finally, choose your engagement options. You can toggle like post and repost to feed, like post is recommended for steady growth. Once everything is configured, hit the Start Profile Growth button. ReachOwl will immediately begin discovering posts in your niche and engaging with them. You can monitor the status from the main IG Profile Growth page. It will show us running along with your keywords. That is how you set up IG Profile Growth in ReachOwl. It is simple, safe, and fully automated. Thanks for watching.